Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, February 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm still very bullish on the monthly time frame. I still think this needs to go up and make an ABC of wave Y, which is part of the three waves up for W, three waves down for X, and three waves up for wave Y, which is basically just a 3-3-3 pattern. I still think it's going to go up, most likely take out these highs, bounce off a Fibonacci level, and then potentially go back down. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. We've pretty much been going down all week, all year, since you can see for the last almost 8 weeks or so now, but I'm still looking at this move up as potentially a wave one, and this move down is potentially a wave two. I think this needs to bounce off a fib level, go up, and eventually make a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five. And this is all going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. Just like the A over here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, the wave C of wave Y should also make a five-way pattern to the upside. Now, going down to the daily time frame, we've definitely been going down very strong ever since this major turn back here. I have definitely been looking for shorts pretty much ever since this big red candle right here, and I will definitely continue to look for shorts until we get a break of structure to the upside. Once we get that break of structure to the upside, that will pretty much tell me that the wave two is over and that we are going up for a wave three, which will definitely turn me back into a buyer for the continuation of this uptrend, which should be a wave three of wave C. Until I get that breaker started to the upside, I definitely am primarily looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this move up is very strong. I will definitely give you that. But it definitely has not broken structure to the upside yet. So for me, because I trade like the 1 to 4 hour time frame, I definitely am still patiently waiting for another sorting opportunity, or I am patiently waiting for a break of structure to the upside, which, like I said on the daily time frame, if I get this major break of structure to the upside, then that's going to turn me into a buyer for the coming weeks and potentially even coming months. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, this move up definitely does look like a trend. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. It could possibly be a motor wave correction. So if today we do have some news coming out this afternoon, if we do get a big impulsive move down, especially if we get a break of structure, that is going to be another sorting opportunity for me because, like I said, until the daily time frame and up tell me that this is actually going upwards, the only way that's going to do that is with a big break of structure to the upside. Until we actually get that, I am primarily looking for sells in a downtrend. Now, if you are a scalper trading the sort of time frames, ever since we got the break of structure and the higher low back here on Wednesday, you could have definitely been looking for longs in an uptrend until you get this picture right here, and then you could stop looking for longs and start going short. I do not scalp, I do not trade the sort of time frames, so for me, I'm definitely patiently waiting for the end of a correction for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.